And we're back, everybody, and this isn't Cleveland. This isn't Cleveland. You know, we're still in the area, but this is like street photography nature edition, what we got going on here today. And they're currently filming Superman the movie in Cleveland, so it's all types of messy up there. So we're just gonna come out here, just look at nature for a few minutes. Doesn't mean we don't love the streets. It just means we get to love on the views too, you know? Hey, little bunny. Thought today might be kind of an interesting day to really focus on small details. Detail shots, things like that. The wind has blown it. My keep losing focus. It's hard to tell if we're getting it or not because the things just keep moving around so much. Love how that feels. That path just sort of disappearing off to the side like that. I mean, it's got some really, really interesting sight lines here. It's very dark down here. I don't like to do brackets. I try to get it in one shot. Just let that be what that is. Oh God, should we try brackets now that I've mentioned it? Should we? Let's give it a shot. I hate that I'm doing this. I really do. But whatever. All right, let's see, what do we get here? Stay tuned in post. Just for the record, usually when I do bracket, I only end up picking the one photo out of the bracket I think works, and then I work with that and discard the rest. I absolutely despise HDR photos, but we'll do that one, see what happens. Turn off high-speed shooting here. Shooting. There's like these really cool quiet moments. Like I just love the separation of like foreground, background. Like look right over here, where we've got this really bright sort of grass, and then there's these bright trees, but at the bottom of the trees are in shadow, so you have this gradation. And then behind those you have even more darkness of the trees. Let's see if there's anything we can make of this. Just like that. That just looks so cool. And the bugs are out, and they are chewing. We got real gnars out here tonight. It's kind of cool, just this big. We can kind of isolate it like that. I feel like the street photographer inside of me always loves like the infrastructure. It may not be what other people are out here for. But I think it's cool. I'm a big nature guy too. I like unblemished nature, but I'm just too much street inside of me to not love the infrastructure as well. All the man-made stuff. I don't know if I got anything in that. I just sort of let autofocus do the work. Look at this, right here. And scenes like that, I'll zoom in, get a photo, zoom out, get a photo. Never really sure which one I'm gonna like the best in post. Kind of just depends on whether or not I was able to crop it. Oh, look, this is even better. Look at this. This is... I like that a lot. I like the shadows. I like the warm tones of the grass. Got the foreground in here. The sky is blue, beautiful. We're not shooting into the sun, which is like massive bonus for us right now. I think it's nice sometimes to get out into the harsh sun. Oh, pardon me. No, you're good.
I don't want to ruin your shot.
No, you're good, man. That guy totally startled me, dude. Like, not even kidding, I got scared. I just heard a dude go, we might be able to. If you can look how I'm like really selectively isolating that tree, just very nice here. Everything just looks so beautiful. Let's see if we can get this guy here. You can find these things backlit. Get just a little bit of that sky in there. Little spots like this where it looks overgrown and forgotten, because this is kind of the unmaintained part of this little trail. I always like it because it just looks forgotten. And I like things to kind of have that forlorn, lonely feel to them. But now, I'm gonna get back into the nature side of things right now. Look at this. And if you wanted a photo full of wildflowers, I know a place. One of the neat things that maybe you're able to see in these photos is even an f4 lens can give you that really nice soft background. You just have to manage the location of your subject to the background a little bit better than maybe you normally would have to, but look at that. The light giveth, people. The light is giveth. Just in case people are wondering, we're shooting in manual today. We always shoot in manual. I used to shoot in aperture priority all the time. I don't believe in any of those systems anymore. Look at the size of this massive, insane dandelion. Oh. There we go. Oh, and look at this cup. If I can frame my subjects so they've got something behind them, I will try to do that. This is just nice. I mean, this is, you know, these aren't award-winning photographs that we're taking. These are just nice studies of contrast, color, layers. You know, this is like a really great way of, even for street photography. Street photography can be so busy, so fast. It can sometimes take you a while to sort of get up to speed. Nature photography has all the same elements: shape, layer, lines, contrast, and color, only it moves at a much slower pace. So you can really come out to a place like this and hone all of your favorite skills. Like right here, just this little patch of light. Sometimes I just think it's neat to see where nature chooses to highlight something. And then in post, I might find a photo there, I might not. It doesn't really matter. You're allowed to take all the photos. Every photo you take does not have to be an amazing work of art. As long as you're getting something from it and you're learning something from it, I think you're doing really kind of all you can ask from an art form for yourself. It's like just framing the blue sky here. Just got to get it for that. Got the blue sky, got that cloud in there. Look how wonderful this tree is set up for us right here. We've got the shadow, we got the cloud, we got the isolation, we got the layers, we got the color, the shape of the tree itself. I mean, that's like, you got to go out and find those things. But when you do, they're waiting for you. I mean, it's even things like this. So again, this is not an award-winning photo here, but just the stack. The stack of all the elements is just so cool. And again, it's the shadow and all those other elements, the shape, the light, the color, the lines. The West Coast is this beautiful area of our country that's dominated by mountains, rugged terrain, some deserts. Absolutely gorgeous. This middle area, which is sort of like this, we're on the eastern side, and you can get into some very old mountainous territory if you just go just a couple more 100 miles to the east. But here we're in the prairies. We have all these beautiful meadows and these open spaces where you get to see all the wildflowers. And that's pretty cool too. Look how neat that looks. That's the way we came. Okay, I love this kind of stuff. We got this great sort of swoopy valley type of thing going on here. Just the colors are nice. It's not like a cut and pasted like type landscape. There's just all these different textures, different plants, different colors. Got a guy with an orange shirt coming up here. Oh, we got a puppy. Hello. Hey, buddy. Hello. I've got 7 dogs at home. Yep, got a lot of them. Have a good one. And yes, you heard me right. I have 7 dogs at home. 3 of them are mine, and my girlfriend has 4. It is chaos. It is complete chaos. The house is basically in 2 sections because there is no way, there's no way 7 dogs could live in one space. Actually, that's not true. I know people who have like 8 dogs and they all live in one space and they commingle so great. I'm just like, how? How did you do it? My dogs are all insane. Her dogs, even more so. But needless to say, big fan of the pups. Let's see what we can do here. We have the ability to dial in an aperture of f/22. Just want to see if I can get a little bit of that starburst in there. We'll see. We'll see. I just like how everything was kind of framed around that tree. Ooh, and I like the softness of the light on these little purple flowers here. Let's see if I can get them. This might be a pointless endeavor, but let's see if we can get all these little white flaky things here. That's interesting. Found a spider web in there somewhere too. Got that going for me. Oh, look at this tree all by himself. Again, that sense of isolation. Whew. We got about 1 hour, 45 minutes left of sunlight. We're gonna be out of here before then, but it just means it is bright. Oh, critters. Oh my God, it's so bright. It is so bright. I just gotta get a picture of this though. Let's see what we got going on here. Sometimes I have to put the camera to my eye because it's just so bright. I can't get like a really good. We might leave this at f/22, so we're gonna have a lot more of what is it, refraction or diffraction, whatever it is, like where the image gets soft because the just the way these high apertures work. Science, don't ask, don't know. But we might be able to get, if we're walking this way for a few, might be able to get some really cool sunbursts. All right. Oh yes, so love this kind of goofy stuff here. There are a lot of bees, not the bees. Let's see if we can. We got bumbles, we got regular bees over here. Bumbles in the pokey type. Do they ever fight? Do the Pokies and the Bumbles ever fight? I don't know. Unanswered questions that we'll never know the answers to, I guess. Never. Science can't figure that out. It's like magnets. How do they work? We'll never know. We'll never know. All right, guys. Well, we are running out of battery power here. Just got a few minutes left, so might as well just wrap it up while we head back to the car. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I know this is 100% in the opposite direction of street photography. This, I mean, there's the street. That's as close as we got right over there. So I appreciate you guys coming and watching, hanging out. Hopefully you didn't mind that I took you someplace different today. You know, I love nature and I love the city. I'm a city boy at heart, always have been. So just wanted to say thank you all for coming. Thank you for hanging out. There's 1,000 different things you could do today. You chose to do it, hang out here with me, and that means a lot. So like always, keep your feet in the street, and I'll check you later. Peace.